In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google reviews to your Squarespace website, making it easy for visitors to see the great feedback you've received, all in just a few minutes. Whether you've just started your website or you're looking to enhance it with customer testimonials, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. To begin, let's head over to Common Ninja, an online platform that offers a range of widget options for your website. Once there, locate and click on the Widgets Plus section. This area is your gateway to a variety of tools, and today, we're focusing specifically on Google reviews to showcase customer feedback directly on your site. In the search bar, type in Google Reviews. After typing, you'll see the Google Reviews widget pop up. Click on it to start the integration process. This widget is specifically designed to aesthetically display the Google reviews you've accumulated, enhancing the authenticity and credibility of your business online. Next, click on Create Google Reviews. This initiates the setup process for your widget. During this step, you can customize the appearance and layout of how the reviews will appear on your Squarespace site, tailoring it to match your brand's aesthetic perfectly. After designing your widget, click the Publish button to proceed. This saves all the settings and gets your widget ready to be embedded on your website. It's important to make sure everything looks just the way you want here, as this is the version that your website visitors will see. Once satisfied, click on Save Widget. This acts as a final confirmation of your settings. Then, select a folder where you'd like to store this widget for easy access in the future. This organizational step ensures that you can easily revisit and update the widget if needed. After saving the widget, click on Save Changes to finalize everything. Following this, you'll be prompted to copy the embed code. Simply click Copy Code to save this code into your clipboard. This code is what will allow you to insert the reviews directly into your Squarespace site. Now, switch over to your Squarespace site and find a spot where you would like the reviews to appear. Click on Add Block within your site's Content Management section and choose Embed from the available options. This will enable you to insert custom code blocks into your page or blog. Once the embed block is selected, click Edit in the block settings. Here you will see an option for Code Snippet or Embed Data. Paste the embed code you copied earlier into this section. Finally, click Save to complete the process. And that's it. Your Google reviews should now be live on your Squarespace site for all to see. This simple addition can greatly enhance your site's reputation by showcasing real customer feedback right on your homepage or any other preferred location. Thank you for following along and happy site customizing.